Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I want to show you how to use Quick Share on this device. So if you want to transfer any kind of file fast and easy between two Android devices, first of all you have to make sure that you enabled Bluetooth and also that the person that you're trying to send this file to also enabled Bluetooth. So now let me go to my photos, for example, and let's suppose that I want to share this photo. So I want to tap share icon in the bottom left. And now I will select Quick Share option, and now your phone will scan for nearby compatible devices here under this section, send to nearby devices, and all you have to do is tap the device that you want to send your file to, and the person that you're trying to share this file to will receive a pop-up notification asking them to accept your file from you. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.